Master task group in Async and await to perform concurrent tasks in SwiftUI. Learn how to run and cancel tasks. In this tutorial, we'll be creating this application that retrieves some weather data using the Weather API and also retrieves some user data. The user has two options: to cancel a task or to get a task, as in run a task. So if we click on get data, this will retrieve the two payloads. As you can see, it retrieved the weather data for Tokyo, London and New York. If I click on it again, then click on cancel, the payloads will not be retrieved and they will be cancelled. Now I'll click on cancel. As you can see, the weather data task was cancelled, so it ignored the data that needed to be downloaded. So this is the feature that we'll be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In today's tutorial, we will continue to implement the content view. We will now add the progress indicator, the progress view. If is loading. So if it is still in the loading process, then we need to show the progress view that has the caption loading data. Progress view style is circular. Progress view style. Else, if it's not loading, then we display the weather data within a list. And the section caption will be weather data. And then we loop through the weather objects to display the weather for that city. And also to display the temperature as well. The next thing we need to show is the user data section. User data. For each so we use users.in and then we display the user within that array element. We display the username and the user email. We also need to add a navigation title And we see that after line 43, navigation title, async data fetching, and then we add our button. It's called cancel task. And then we call data fetcher cancel all tasks. Is loading, false, data fetcher, error message, clear any errors. And then we create another button that's called get data. We've been an asynchronous task also is loading, goes true, data fetcher dot error message is blanket, await, data fetcher, fetch data. So that will fetch the data asynchronously. Is loading equals false, as we now have the data now. And then just add a bit of padding. That should be a capital L for its loading. Let's now run the application to see if it's working or not. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.